Welcome to the InfoMold YouTube channel. While 3D printing has been around for a while, it has now become more widely available in the market. The possibilities for 3D printing are nearly limitless. These devices enable you to channel your imagination and turn digital prototypes, 3D sketches, and other ideas into actual items. If you are looking for the best 3D printers, this video is for you. In this video, we have reviewed the best 3D printers available on the market. The products' links are in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Saturn II MSLA 3D Printer by Elegoo. Elegoo deserves the credit of being one of the best 3D printer manufacturers that produces very user-friendly 3D printers. The Saturn II is a prime example of this, raising the generally messy experience of resin 3D printing to an entirely new level. The Saturn II has a sleek creased shape that adds sturdiness to its bucket-style top. The build volume is huge, and the resolution is great, with each pixel measuring 28.5 microns across its 219 by 123 mm build area. Build height goes to 250 mm. That's an incredible level of detail to have in such a vast build volume. Everything about it feels high-end. From the bigger print plate release knob, which is simple to use while wearing gloves, to the upgraded light engine, which combines a Fresnel lens with a COB to provide higher light uniformity throughout the plate. The Saturn II's overall commitment to improving its status as a resin workhorse includes a 9H hardness screen protection on the LCD, sparing you from costly LCD replacements if your scraper slips. Number 4. Mars 3 Pro MSLA Resin 3D Printer by Elegoo. The Mars 3 is Elegoo's 6th edition of their popular budget printer, and it combines all of the best parts of past Mars printers into a well-rounded product while retaining the same workhorse personality that you will always appreciate. It has a 143 x 90 x 165 mm build volume for a normal resin 3D printer and can print at an ultra-fine resolution of 35 microns with 4098 by 2560 pixels. The Mars 3 is brimming with modest, user-friendly features. Its 3.5-inch color touchscreen is flush with the front of the machine, and the resin vat is metal with tidy screws to secure it in place and feet on the bottom to avoid the delicate FEP from making contact with your workstation. The Mars 3 specs and looks, plus the fact that it comes with a 1-year subscription to Chitabox Pro, makes a strong case for it being one of the best budget 3D printer currently available. Number 3. Photon Mono 4K 3D Printer by ANYCUBIC. ANYCUBIC Mono has a good 6.23-foot monochrome LCD screen for a wide-angle view of your miniature models. ANYCUBIC Mono 4K 3D printer employs a robust Z-axis rail construction powered by a high-performance stepper motor for printing accuracy and precision. If you're concerned about printing time, don't be. The printer has a maximum print speed of 50 mm per second. The screen also has 4 times the lifespan of a standard RGB LCD screen, thanks to the screen protection film. As a result, it is built to last. When it comes to resin 3D printers, the quality of the UV light source is just as important as the resin itself. That is taken care of by a matrix parallel light source made up of 15 strong LED lights. You receive consistent and fast-paced printing with 90% light homogeneity on every layer of your miniature. The built-in top cover detecting mechanism makes this printer safer to operate. It quickly stops printing without the top cover. Finally, to achieve customized printing needs, you can adjust the UV power of the printer based on what the resin requires. This will extend the life of the screen and light even further. Number 2. Official Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer by Comgrow. For good reason, the Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer is a popular 3D printer model among hobbyists. This printer is inexpensive, simple to operate, and has a number of appealing features. The printer comes partially constructed, with all of the equipment needed for easy setup. Loading the plastic filament is straightforward. When assembled and turned on, the device is almost instantly ready to print, with a quick heating mechanism that makes the printer ready to go in only 5 minutes. In the event of a printing stoppage, it offers a handy resume print function that resumes the task where it left off. The heated, detachable, and flexible magnetic print bed makes it easy to remove finished models after printing, though you must be careful when reinstalling the bed to ensure it's level. Overall, this 3D printer produces excellent print quality, and best 3D printer for newbies just getting started with 3D printing. Number 1. Neptune 2S FDM 3D Printer by Elegoo. Neptune 2S boasts a few clearly non-budget features for a cheap printer with a 220 by 250 mm build area. It contains a filament runout sensor, so if you run out of filament, you can replace the spool and continue printing. It also includes a removable build plate, making print removal considerably easier and more dependable. The double-gear metal extruder has a spring elasticity adjustment design and a specific titanium alloy pipe, which decreases the risk of nozzle clogging, improves output uniformity, and increases printing stability. The Neptune 2S 3D printer is outfitted with a 32-bit motherboard and SMT32 chip, as well as a memory of up to 1M flash, which makes the system run smoother and faster. The silent stepper driver ensures that the motherboard has silent printing and accurate voltage output, resulting in a better printing experience. Neptune 2S, which is equipped with a material break detecting switch, can always detect machine power failure and pause printing, and the automatic recovery feature will resume printing when power is reconnected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel.